The OnePlus 6 launch date feels like it's very close, and with a huge number of leaks and even official teasers from OnePlus itself, we have already a pretty good idea of what we can expect. OnePlus 6, the company next generation flagship, will be made officially in May. Ahead of launch, the Chinese startup has confirmed several details, including a notch on the top of screen, glass body design, Snapdragon 845 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and much more. OnePlus has also hinted at water resistance for OnePlus 6 and iPhone X-like gestures. The successor to OnePlus 5T will have an 18:9 aspect ratio display and dual rear cameras. OnePlus 6 will mark a design change from all the metal OnePlus 5 to a glass front and back on the new phone. OnePlus 6 will be Amazon exclusive in India, and the price could start from 34,000 Indian rupees. For the base storage model, the price for higher end variant or OnePlus 6 Premium could go up to 49,000 rupees, making it the most expensive OnePlus phone yet. Though several rumors and leaks have also been out features of OnePlus 6, I enlist for you everything that has officially been confirmed by the OnePlus for the OnePlus 6. OnePlus CEO Patty Lau has confirmed in a company forum post that OnePlus 6 will sport a glass back and an all-glass design. The smartphone will continue with horizon line and curved design from the previous variants. The all-glass design could also mean wireless charging support, though OnePlus is yet to confirm the feature. Notably, this is the first time OnePlus will be using glass design on its smartphone, and Lau says that the company tested over 70 glasses prototypes before selecting the best one. OnePlus 6 back cover will come with 5 layers of nanotech coating instead of 3. Lau also said that the advantage of glass over the metal are manifold. Glass communicates a transparent, bright, and pure feeling. The way glass transforms under different lighting is a particularly important challenge. The OnePlus design team tested over 70 glass prototypes before selecting the best one. OnePlus 6 will feature a notch on the top of display, which was confirmed by OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei as well as CEO Patty Lau. The idea with the notch is to give user more viewable space on the display, and the company also claims that to have achieved a higher screen to body ratio. According to a detailed blog post by the OnePlus CEO, more than 1000 apps on the Google Play Store have already been tested for the compatibility with the notch. Meanwhile, the Oxygen OS has been optimized to work with the notch design so that the notification do not get cut off. The dimension of notch will be 19.616mm into 7.687mm on the top of OnePlus 6 screen, which is expected to measure 6.28 inches. The company will allow users to black out the sides of the notch when it's landscape mode. OnePlus has confirmed in an official teaser video that OnePlus 6 will be powered by Snapdragon 845 processor. The information does not come as a surprise, as most flagship smartphones of 2018 ship with the latest mobile platform. In a teaser video, the company also revealed that OnePlus 6 will have a 256 storage variant as a first for the brand, and it will likely be called OnePlus 6 Premium. The 256GB storage space will be coupled with 8GB of onboard RAM. So far, the maximum storage space offered on the OnePlus devices is 128GB. OnePlus hinted its upcoming flagship could launch with water resistant in a teaser video posted on Twitter. It was written that don't you just hate it when you have to stop using your phone when it rains? So do we. Though we will have to wait for an official launch to know whether OnePlus 6 will come with IP68 rating like Samsung Galaxy S9 or S8 series, or IP67 rating like iPhone X, iPhone 7 series, etc. Water and dust resistance had long been appreciated on OnePlus phones, as most flagships in the market offer the feature. It was expected for OnePlus 5T as well, though that did not happen. Now it looks like OnePlus will finally include water and dust resistant on the OnePlus 6. OnePlus 6 will retain a 3.5mm headset jack, the alert slider, as well as gestures on OnePlus 6. The company posted several teaser videos from its official Twitter handle to confirm the features. We have seen the alert slider button on the previous OnePlus phone as well, and it lets user to switch DND, silent, etc. mode seamlessly. Gesture has also been already introduced by OnePlus, though OnePlus 6 could come with some new features. Finally, OnePlus is not yet giving up a 3.5mm headset jack in favor of USB Type-C port as seen on Apple iPhone X, Google Pixel 2 and Samsung Galaxy S9. OnePlus 6 Avengers Infinity War Edition is expected as well. OnePlus accidentally posted a video on its official Facebook page dropping hits on new variant, though it has been taken down, and OnePlus 6 Avengers Infinity War should not come as a surprise, as OnePlus has announced a movie edition of its smartphone in the past as well, which was OnePlus 5T Star Wars edition. This time around, OnePlus 6 is giving away 6,000 movie tickets of Avengers Infinity War in India. OnePlus 6 will be available exclusive in India, and the e-commerce site already has a coming soon page live for the smartphone. It does not reveal much about the upcoming device. User can also click on notify me when OnePlus 6 becomes available. OnePlus is yet to make it official, but the talk in the town is that OnePlus 6 will be launched on May 18. It will be available for sale in Amazon.in for a speculated price of $39,999. Apart from that, the OnePlus 6 is also said to come in 3 color variants: white, black and blue. And that's it guys, I have this much information right now for this phone. If you have more information about this phone, comment down below. I will check out. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe for more video like these, and I will see you in the next one.